What's up, guys? Back with another video. I already recorded this video, but it deleted somehow. I don't know how, honestly. I recorded it, then I imported it to my MacBook, and then after I imported it, I deleted off my camera. So I'm like, alright, I'm cool. Checked it later, my MacBook. It wasn't there, so I gotta re-record it. But it's cool anyway, because my hair actually got longer than it was like when I recorded that video. So, alright, y'all. What's up? Yeah, like I said, I gotta re-record this video, so let's start by taking the headband off. Oh, hold up. I need to fix my hairline, guys. It's not up to par. More hair on this side of my head. This is my left, so y'all might be like right or something. But I got more hair on this side of my head. Anyway, that's not the point. So first off, let me start by brushing. And I need a haircut, y'all, I know. Gotta see my beard coming in though. Gotta brush that too. Anyway, so I'm showing you how I get my hair, how I do. Right now it's like puffed up, bunned up, or whatever. So that's what I do at nighttime. Tie it up so it like can kind of like stretch. So basically take it out the bun, kind of like pull it all directions. I know it looks ugly right now, but just wait. See how I'm back at it, I switched my lens. So just continuing to pull out the hair from all directions. So basically, y'all, this is just a hair tutorial, honestly. How I get my hair, how I do. Now, what you call this hairstyle, for most people that don't know, it's like a high top, taper, drop fade, whatever, curly top, whatever, nappy top, whatever. I just take it, and I'm gonna speed up this video from last video. I was talking a lot last time I recorded this. But, yeah, I was just pulling it from all directions, really, and twisting it as I go. I'm actually gonna put some stuff in it. So here's the secret weapon. See if it focuses on that. Yep. The secret weapon, y'all. On the fingertips too. So you can get to your scalp. Pull it up, out, and just keep pulling it really. And while you pulling it, like twisting and stuff. So we're getting closer and closer. You can see it's not the final product yet, but you can see. Actually, the barber, this one I was rocking like the little 2 braids with the ponytail. I had my barber go up a lot with my fade, but that's just your personal preference. Honestly, I think I'm finna grow it back at least like all this right here. Especially in the back, because it doesn't look as well. I like pull my hair down, make it look like it's growing back there, but it's not. And you just keep like twisting it. It's starting to get hot. That's how I like my hair, like how they like droop down on the sides or whatever. Like, of course, when I'm walking, the wind's gonna blow, it's gonna like mess it up or whatever. But I like to have the sides like at least a little bit kind of droop down. So I just take it and get a little bit of hair, twist it, pull it, and then something like that. People told me to get dreads. I don't know about dreads. I don't think dreads are for me, honestly. I don't even think my hair will lock up like that. Dang, it's hot. So yeah, as y'all can see, this is pretty much the final product. It's like day to day is what I do, like take it out the bun. You know, sometimes I throw the headband on, whatever. Like if I'm rocking a little 2 braids with the puff in the back, I'll put a headband on just to make it look a little cleaner. Cause I don't be having a haircut all the time, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Just keep twisting and pull it. Now, I'm talking about hair growth and how I get my hair to grow. For y'all that have like shorter hair and try to get your hair like mine or whatever. So like I said, this focus. Oh, y'all know what it is. I just showed y'all. And this coconut oil. Them two help you a lot. And also I took tips from like other friends and stuff. Like I like pick it out and comb it out after my shower, blow dry it, whatever. I don't blow dry it, but gonna start, but I just start combing it out all the way. Then I tie it up in one bun. Some of y'all don't have like a lot of hair to do that, so you can like probably like 2 or 3 or 4 or whatever, however long your hair is. But they started back using this type of stuff or whatever. This can too. In the morning, I usually don't put stuff in my hair, so I just spray this on there. It's oil sheen. That's pretty much it. How I keep my hair or whatever, keep it up every day. It's how it look. I'm thinking about re-dyeing it again. I don't know if I should go burgundy or brown again, but I don't know, we'll see. Comment below on that. But that's in this video. If y'all like my hair or whatever, let me know. If I should cut it, let me know. Honestly, be honest. So yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Comment below what y'all want to see in the future. Yeah, I'm just trying, man. My hair might not be long to y'all, but to me it's long. Don't forget to check out my boy Marcus and Jessica. They just started their channel. That's pretty much all I got. So stay up, stay strong, get right to get left, man.